معاكم من مدينة الدوحة لتغطية فعاليات مهرجان الدوحة ترايبيكا السينمائي الدولي. مشاهدينا النهارده احنا على الريد كاربت في انتظار النجم العالمي روبرت دينيرو، واللي هيجي عشان يحضر الموفي بريمير الخاص بفيلمه سيلفر لاينينجز بلاي بوك، والفيلم ده مهم جدا هنشوفه النهارده في مهرجان الدوحه السينمائي الدولي، وكمان هنعرف راي الجمهور عنه، وعملنا لقاءات كتيره وهنعمل لسه لقاءات كتيره على الريد كاربت. انتظرونا على شاشه نايل سينما. لحظة مهمة جدا واحنا دلوقتي شاشة نايل سينما وكاميرا نايل سينما على الريد كاربت، وبنشهد لحظة دخول الممثل العالمي الكبير والشهير روبرت دينيرو، وجايب صحبة زوجته على الريد كاربت علشان يحضر الموفي بريمير الخاص بفيلمه سيلفر لاينينجز نوت بوك. الحقيقة ان احنا هنأمل ان احنا نعمل معاه الانترفيو ونكلمه اكتر على شكل التعاون وعلى وجوده النهارده. خليكم معانا فقط على شاشة نايل سينما ومن على الريد كاربت. دلوقتي شايفين النجم العالمي روبرت دينيرو بيلتقط الصور الفوتوغرافية لتسجيل هذه اللحظة المهمة جدا على الريد كاربت بصحبة زوجته جريس اللي متزوجة من حوالي 10 سنوات. احنا بنشهد دلوقتي عمليات الصور الفوتوغرافية الخاصة بروبرت دينيرو.
It's a comedy, but it also has drama, so it has all, and that's always the most interesting to me to do, because it's more reflective, if you will, of life, you know, craziness and life situations, chaotic, everyday little dramas that is what you find in this Silver Linings.
What?
Hey,
what's this?
Didn't tell me you took him out?
The court said yes.
Yeah, but what did the doctors say?
Can I do an interview for school project on mental illness?
No.
وطبعا كان لينا شرف ان احنا نلتقي بزوجة الفنان العالمي روبرت دينيرو، مسز دينيرو, Miss Grace. Hello.
Hello.
We have all the honor to have you here.
Oh, thank you. We're so honored to be here once again. It's really a lovely pleasure.
Yeah. You have been there?
And here, yes, absolutely. This, I think, is my fourth time.
Fourth time, wonderful. But you didn't go to Egypt?
Egypt, I have not as yet. Oh, for the film festival? I have not as yet, but I'm hoping to.
We're hoping to have you in Egypt.
So am I. I'm hoping to be there. I would
like to talk about the great actor Robert Diniero. What about him as a husband?
Who is that guy? No,
he's another guy.
He's a great husband. He really is. He's a wonderful husband and a wonderful father. And it's very interesting to see him on screen because, you know, he's really good when I watch and it doesn't seem as though it's him, it's someone else. So he really embraces the characters that he plays. And so
I can sense this kind of great love from your heart when you're talking about him.
Thank you.
I can feel it.
Thank you, thank you.
We have all the honor to have you, and we hope to see you back to Egypt, please.
Oh, absolutely, we love Egypt.
وطبعا على الريد كاربت واحنا موجودين معانا النجم العالمي روبرت دينيرو واللي احنا بنشرف بلقائه. Sir Robert Dinero, we have all the honor to have this interview with you.
Thank you. Honored to be honest to have the interview.
Thank you, sir. You have this kind of strong, charming look in your eyes, and this is so clear in your performance. From where get this look?
I don't know. My mom.
By nature, by default.
My father.
We'd like to talk about the Tribeca Film Festival. First, you're one of the greatest co-founder of the Tribeca, back to New York, and then in Doha. We'd like to talk about this great festival.
Well, the festival is doing well and doing better and better each year, from what I see and hear. So I'm very happy about that. Yeah.
How we can make the image of the Arab world better back to Hollywood, America, European world?
Well, that's what one of the main reasons for the festival is, that people can express.
Doesn't know us.
So yeah, and they see these movies, and they go to America, and things come here, and people realize that we're all like kind of we all have the same problems. And hopefully that's what will happen. I mean, in Egypt they have some wonderful movies that do have those.
So thrilled about this and happy. Yeah.
Yeah.
The movie, The Silver Linings Playbook, would like to talk about that movie.
Well, it's about a guy who has trouble in a mental institution. He gets out, and he's trying to win his wife back, and I'm playing his father, and I'm very apprehensive because he's like he's on edge, and you don't know where he's going to go and what he's going to do, and so that makes my wife and me very nervous. And so, but it turns out in a good way. But I won't tell you. I won't give away the ending.
I'm ready. I feel motivated. I don't feel so angry all the time.